Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated door draft stoppers. If the installation in your home isn't up to par, a door draft stopper is a simple and affordable solution to remedy that situation. They are great for blocking chilly drafts from coming in, and they can also help in reducing unwanted smells and sounds from getting in the room. While there may be a lot of choices out there with all kinds of brands and models, there are really only a few amazing door draft stoppers to choose from. In this video, we'll be going over 7 of these highly rated door draft stoppers in the market, so you can just sit back, relax, and take your pick after watching. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the door draft stoppers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first door draft stopper on our list is the deeTOOL Man Door Draft Stopper. The deeTOOL Man Door Draft Stopper is a one-sided door insulator that's designed to keep the elements out. With 4 colors to choose from, you can even fit your door stoppers according to your door or room's design. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is where the deeTOOL Man Door Draft Stopper a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Strong adhesive. Its adhesive backing and hook and loop fasteners keep the sturdy covered styrofoam securely in place until you decide to rip it off. Great insulation. The door stopper is good at keeping cold air out and heat in. Additionally, it's great for blocking out dust, sand, and light. Easily glides on most floor types. It works well on tiles, laminates, and stone. It can even be used on even, uneven, or carpeted floors. Easy installation. It is easy to remove and replace. To prep for installation, just measure the size you need and clean the bottom of the door with a dry rag. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is harsh on wood floors. Although it works well on most floor types, it can be a bit harsh on wood floors. The second door draft stopper on our list is the fowong Door Draft Stopper. For a home that has larger than typical door widths, finding an effective draft stopper can be a challenge, but the fowong Door Draft Stopper might just do the trick. This heavy draft stopper filled with glass beads weighs 3 pounds to stay securely in place. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is where the fowong Door Draft Stopper a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Hook and loop design. It comes with a strip of hook and loop material for attaching it semi-permanently if desired. Machine washable. The upholstery-grade waterproof polyester cover is machine washable for easy cleanups. Easy storage. 2 cord handles, one on either end, make it easy to hang from a doorknob or coat hook when not in use. Numerous colors. It comes in gray, brown, or white, so you can fit it accordingly to your room's design. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it does not block corner drafts. Unfortunately, there is no coverage on the door draft blocker's 2 ends to accurately block side drafts on each end of the draft blocker. The third door draft stopper on our list is the Holikme Twin Door Draft Stopper. If you're looking for twin draft stoppers that work on both sides of a door to provide twice the barrier for keeping drafts at bay, then the Holikme Twin Door Draft Stopper will easily get the job done for you. It slides easily underneath the door and sandwiches 2 thick foam sponge tubes, providing a tight seal. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is where the Holikme Twin Door Draft Stopper a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Great for blocking gaps. The foam is almost twice the size of some of its competitors, blocking gaps up to 1.5 inches wide. Customizable to fit. The draft stopper comes in a 34-inch length that can be customized for smaller door widths. Hook and loop design. The hook and loop flaps folds over, keeping them securely in place. Easy assembly. Simply remove the foam sponges from their sleeves, cut them to size with a knife or scissor, and slide them back in. Numerous color selections. The fabric cover comes in several colors and patterns to suit multiple styles. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is attracts pet hair. If you have pets in your home, we suggest not getting the black color since it easily attracts fur. The fourth door draft stopper on our list is the MAXTID Door Draft Stopper. This door stopper from MAXTID keeps your room temperature stable and the floor dry and clean. It also comes in 4 colors, so you can get it in a finish that best suits your room's aesthetic. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is where the MAXTID Door Draft Stopper a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Adjustable Velcro design. This door stopper attaches with a Velcro strip, which allows for slight adjustments. Perfect for reducing outside elements. The door draft stopper effectively stops drafts, wind, dust, and light from getting in your room. Durable and stable. It moves with your door, so it always remains in position. Suitable for all types. The door stopper works well on interior and exterior doors as well as all floor types. Easy to assemble. It is super easy to install and the instructions provided are very intuitive. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is strong adhesive. The adhesive is very strong, so it is highly recommended to make sure you align it correctly before sticking. The fifth door draft stopper on our list is the Holikme door draft stopper. If you're looking for two flexible draft stoppers that will stick to the door and seal out the cold air, then consider this 2-pack from Holikme. It is made from silicone material and looks unobtrusive, perfect for minimally designed rooms and kitchens. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is where the Holikme door draft stopper a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: durable construction. These draft stoppers are made of durable material and provide a flexible seal. Strong insulation. The stoppers feature 3 pliable fins to take the shape of the threshold as well as 3 spaces for air gaps, improving insulation value. Saves energy. Since they are great at preventing the heat and cold from escaping during summer and winter, these will save you a lot of money in the long run. Easy to trim. They attach with an adhesive backing that's easy to trim to size using a sharp utility knife. Numerous color selections. You can choose between white, black, brown, gray, or a transparent finish to suit any home decor. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is does not work against mice. If your area has issues with mice and other rodents, these door stoppers will not be able to hold them off. The 6th door stopper on our list is the MAGZO door draft stopper. Those who prefer a fabric door stopper to a plastic one will find this fabric door stopper from MAGZO a great investment. It looks soft and supple, which is perfect for ensuring safety if you have babies or toddlers at home. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is where the MAGZO door draft stopper a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: stable and reliable. The door stopper is filled with polyester wadding and glass beads to ensure it stays in place. Multi-purpose. It is quite effective at stopping drafts, wind, dust, and light from getting in your room. Loops design. This allows you to hang it anywhere, such as door handles, closet hooks, and more. Machine washable. The door stopper can be quickly cleaned by washing machine, so you don't need to hand wash it at all. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is inferior Velcro. The included Velcro is not very good at adhering to the door, so we suggest getting higher quality ones. The 7th door draft stopper on our list is the Suptikes door draft stopper. This door stopper from Suptikes has an adjustable silicone and tenacious adhesive which provides a lot more value than other stoppers of its kind with fixed lengths and inferior adhesives. It comes in 4 colors, so you can purchase one that fits your room style and design best. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is where the Suptikes door draft stopper a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: perfect for summer and winter. The door stopper securely adheres to doors and helps keep out the cold or heat in summer and winter respectively. Great at blocking light and noise. It doesn't just block drafts, odors, and heat or color, but it also blocks out unwanted light and noise. Fits most door types. The door stopper works for interior and exterior doors and works on all sizes and materials, including wood, glass, metal, plastic, and more. Easy to install. It is easy to remove and replace with intuitive instructions provided for quick and hassle-free setups. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is strong adhesive. The double-sided adhesive provides you only one chance to install it right. Otherwise, you will have to take off your door's pane, door sealant, and even wood paneling. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest-rated door draft stoppers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next door draft stopper roundup which you would like our team to test, drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.